Have you ever wondered how much it costs to send money internationally? It's a question that many people ask, especially those who need to transfer funds to loved ones or for business purposes. Today, we're going to dive into the world of international money transfers and focus on one specific service, Paysend. Paysend has gained popularity due to its claim of offering low-cost transfers. But is it really as cheap as they say? Let's find out. Understanding Paysend fees. Paysend's fee structure. Paysend uses a simple fee structure that involves a fixed fee per transfer. This means that regardless of the amount you're sending, you'll pay a set fee. However, there are a few factors that can influence the final cost. Sending and receiving currencies. The specific currencies involved in the transfer can affect the fee. Some currency pairs may have higher fees than others. Transfer speed. Paysend offers different transfer speeds, and faster options may come with slightly higher fees. Comparing Paysend to competitors. To get a better understanding of Paysend's fees, let's compare them to other popular international money transfer services. We'll look at factors such as fixed fees, hidden charges, and exchange rates. Factors affecting Paysend fees. Exchange rates. While Paysend claims to offer competitive exchange rates, it's important to compare them to the mid-market rate. The difference between the rate Paysend offers and the mid-market rate is known as the exchange rate spread. Hidden fees. Be on the lookout for any hidden fees that might be associated with Paysend transfers. This could include fees for currency conversions, account maintenance, or other services. Real-world examples. Case Study 1. Let's consider a scenario where you want to send $1,000 from the United States to the United Kingdom using Paysend. We'll break down the fees involved and compare them to other services. Case Study 2. Another example could be sending a larger amount, such as $5,000, from Nigeria to South Africa. We'll analyze the fees and exchange rates in this scenario. Tips for minimizing Paysend fees. Choosing the right transfer method. Paysend offers different transfer methods, such as bank transfers and card payments. Understanding the fees associated with each method can help you choose the most cost-effective option. Timing your transfer. Certain times of the year or day may have lower fees. Researching Paysend's fee structure can help you identify the best time to transfer. Using promotional codes or discounts. Paysend may offer promotional codes or discounts from time to time. Keep an eye out for these opportunities to save money on your transfers. Summary. In conclusion, Paysend can be a cost-effective option for international money transfers, but it's essential to consider several factors before making a decision. By understanding Paysend's fee structure, comparing it to competitors, and being aware of potential hidden fees, you can make an informed choice and minimize your transfer costs. Call to action. If you're considering using Paysend or other international money transfer services, be sure to do your research and compare different options. This will help you find the best deal and ensure a smooth transfer experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.